Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of 2bs on numerator and denominator. So this one we got about e to the power of bs because 2bs minus bs you got about positive bs. This one multiplied by number 1 and this one. And this one you got about 1. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of bs. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to be to the power of bs ds. Because we don't have b in here, so we need to divide both sides by b. So this one we change by u and you got about u square. E to the power of bs ds we change by du over b. The integration of this one we got about r tan of u and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.